Hi everyone, my name is Diamond and today I'm going to teach you guys how to multiply using the partial product strategy. This is a method that shows how place value and the distributive property and how it makes multiplication work. The example we will be using today is 56 times 23. So right here, I have 5 10 rods and 6 1s cubes, which equals 56. And then on the right side, I have 2 10s rods and 3 1s cubes, which equals 23. Next example I have is that I'm going to be making a rectangle. Maybe that's too big. A rectangle. And then on the top would be 50 and 6, and then 20 and 3 on the left side. When drawing this rectangle, when we break the rectangle into 4 smaller sections as shown right here, we are decomposing when multiplying 56 times 23. So 50 times 20 equals 1,000. 50 times 3 equals 150. 20 times 6 is 120, and 6 times 3 equals 18. So it'd be right here. Let me use a different color, right? Multiplying those 50 times 20, then you go down 50 times 3, and then 6 times 20, and 3 times 6. So in this cell, in this cube, this represents a large flat. In the 120 and 150 cube, this is showing the hundreds. And then in the 18th cell, it is showing the ones and a 10 rod. So another example of decomposing is going to be 50 plus 6 and 20 plus 3, which will end up equaling 50 times 20 plus 50 times 3 and 6 times 20 plus 6 times 3. And put the plus right there, I forgot about that, which will equal the same thing, 1,000, 150. So 50 times 20 equals 1,000, 50 times 3 equals 120, 6 times 20 equals 120, and 6 times 3 equals 18. So you're going to want to add these numbers up. When you are adding these numbers up, you are going to get 1,288, which equals 56 times 23. So 56 times 23 equals 1,288. We are just decomposing both of these numbers and breaking them down. So when we are multiplying the 10s by 10s, 10s by 1s, 1s by 10s, and 1s by 1s, this helps you students see the digital representation difference of the different values depending on their place, and not just the single numbers. When we are using partial products, you guys are encouraged of more of a flexible thinking and helping, and this helps you transition from a concrete model to more of an abstract, and to be able to have more of a diverse thinking and being able to think more better. So after seeing this example of 56 times 23 and how to solve it using partial products, I want you to solve 45 times 24. Let's do 32 times 18. And one more, 25 times 23. So I want you to think of decomposing and using the place values. I hope this helps.